Hello, guys. I hope that you're having a good time. This is Imran Khan, and today's tutorial is going to be very important for you. In today's tutorial, we will learn about how to change Facebook language and region. So let's start, and you can see the three lines on the right side of your mobile on the right corner. Just go and tap on these three lines. Now you can see just below the three lines there is an setting icon. Tap on that. You will get some interface like this. Now scroll down, and yes, here it is, language and region. I'm going and hit on this. So there are five options we are having. So I will, my main focus will be on the first two options, option 1 and on 2, which is very important. The rest are also important, but ये तीन जो है, ये दो जो है, ये काफ़ी important है. So I will hit on the first one, that is language for buttons, titles, other text from Facebook. And that is, yes, there are a lot of languages, like you can see Portuguese, Chinese, Urdu, and English, Arabic, and other languages, but I'm preferring device language. I have already selected that, so I'm not gonna change it. Simply go back. Now try the second one, that is language you would like to have posts translated into. जिसमें आप अपने पोस्ट को ट्रांसलेट करना चाहते हैं. I am going to hit on this and I will get some interface like this. Here too, we are having a lot of languages, many languages: Norwegian, Portuguese, Filipino, Afrikaans, Arabic, Urdu, Chinese, Japanese, Danish, and all other languages. Multiple languages we are having here, but I will simply hit on English as I have already selected it. So I'm not gonna change it. I will keep it as I have selected. So I will just go back. Now let's try the third option, that is languages you don't want to be offered translations for, जिसमें आप translations offer नहीं करते, जिसमें आप नहीं करना चाहते. So here you can select multiple languages, like I have selected Pashto, English, and Urdu. But I'm not gonna save it because there is no need for any translation into other languages or these languages. So I don't want to select any of these languages. So I will simply go back. Now let's try the fourth option, that is languages you don't want automatically translated. Hit on this and you will again having multiple languages. In posts in these languages won't be translated unless you choose to show a translation. Here depends on you whether you choose a language for translation or not, but as far as I recommend, do not select any language. But if you want to select, then you can select language according to your region. Like if you're from Arabic countries, then select Arabic. African, then select African languages. If you're from Pakistan, India, then you can select Urdu or Hindi. If you're from Bangladesh, then you can select Bengali as well. Like Bengali is also in the among these languages. So there are multiple regional languages which you can select for your translations, but I'm not gonna select it. So let's try the final and the fifth option. Let's tap on the option on the bottom, the last one, a feature that lets you post multiple language versions of a status. If you want to post a status and you want to use multiple language version, then you can simply go and turn it on. Like it was off, now I have turned it on. So if you post a status or something, then that will appear in multiple languages, but I'm not gonna do that. So I will again turn it off. So I will go back. The first two options, which I already said, is very important. So my main focus was on the first two options. This one, select device language, and this one, select English language. But in the first one, you can also select English language or other languages. So in the first option, either select device language or English language, but the rest depends on you. Thanks for watching. I hope आप लोगों ने काफ़ी enjoy किया होगा, आप लोगों के लिए helpful होगा. Wait for the next tutorial. Thanks a lot.